Hi everyone, I am M. Purnima Devi working as an assistant professor under AIML department in SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to discuss about DOM. From that subtopic, intrinsic event handling. So an event is an occurrence of something potentially interesting to a script. Example, mouse over and mouse out events. In before video I just discussed, so kindly see that. An HTML intrinsic event attribute is used to specify a script to be called when an event occurs. So example, on mouse over. So name of attribute is on followed by event name. So intrinsic event handling. So HTML intrinsic event attributes. So when called, so on load. So immediately after the body of document has been fully read and phrased by the browser. So that is this attribute only pertains to body and frame set. So on and load. So the browser is ready to load a new document in place of the current document. This attribute only pertains to body and frame set. On click. A mouse button has been clicked and released over the element. On DBL click. So the mouse has been double clicked over the element. So on mouse down, the mouse has been clicked over the element. On mouse up, the mouse has been released over the element. On mouse over, the mouse has just moved over the element. On mouse moved, the mouse has moved from one location to another over the element. On mouse out, the mouse has just moved away from the element. So intrinsic event handling. So on focus, the element has just received the keyboard focus. This attribute only pertains to certain elements, including a label, input, select text area and button. On blur, the element has just loaded the keyboard focus. Attribute pertains only to same elements as on focus. On key press, this element has the focus and a key has been pressed and released. On key down, this element has the focus and a key has been pressed. On key up, this element has the focus and a key has been released. On submit, this form element is ready to the submitted. Only applies to form elements. On reset, this form element is ready to be reset. Only applies to form elements. On select, text in this element has been selected as highlighted in preparation for editing. Applies only to input and text area elements. On change, the value of this element has changed. Applies only to input text area and text elements. So intrinsic event handling. So body onload, so window alert body loader. So on unload, window alert unloading. So form action. So example, not organization. On submit, so submitting. On set, resetting. Here is an paragraph. So input type equal to text, name equal to some text. On key press, window alert text field got character. On select, window dot alert text selected. So break. So here input text equal to button name and also value click me. So on click equal to window dot alert button clicked beer. So input type equal to submit name. Here submit value and submitted. So on focus, window dot alert. So submit button got focus. Input type equal to reset name, reset value. So these are all the basic things. So intrinsic event handling. Intrinsic event attribute values is script what language is it return it. So HTTP content script type header field specify default scripting language. So meta element allows document to specify values as if they were header fields. Modifying element style. So here contains home products person. This is the main content of the page. It is very interesting content. So many people should visit this page to read this content. So change background color of element containing the cursor. These are the particular things we already discussed. And also on mouse click highlight this. So on mouse click low light this a equal to h or ef, that is a reference http. So from that www.example.organization we just refers to that. So here TD on mouse over and on mouse out is here. Like rollover style needs to be modified both when entering and exiting the element. Here this refers to element instance representing the TD element. Yeah, here element, the element which reference to element instance only. This is and all more important in DOM concept. If you particularly just assign a particular element to the particular object means the whole things will focus on the particular element only. So just it means the element reference to an element instance only. So here style, all element instances have a style property with an object value, of course. And so background color, so properties of style object correspond to CSS, style properties of the corresponding HTML element. So here rules for forming a style property names from names of CSS style sheets. So here color means color only, so otherwise all hyphens are removed and the letters that immediately followed hyphens are capitalized. So background color only. Alternative syntax not supported in this format means function low light element, so element style property color, these are alternative syntax. Here set property, so every DOM2 compliant style object has a set property method. Background color, CSS property name unmodified, empty string or important. Advantage is a set property, so make it clear that a CSS property is being set rather than merely a property of the style object. Allow CSS property names to be used as rather than requiring modification, but lack of IE support makes it difficult to use. Obtaining specified CSS property value if element style background color equal to gray. Alternate DOM2 syntax, so not supported by IEX. Thank you.